Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. For today's very important video, I'm gonna teach you how to make your computer speed up or run faster, okay? So let's get started. First is you need to search for notification and actions. And then the moment the best match will appear, just double tap to open. And then here, you need to make sure that under aligning this notification, you need to make sure that this is off and then check all if all of this are off. I mean all of these categories are off, okay? After that, look for location and then go to location privacy settings. And here, might as well you need to make sure that let apps access your location is also off. I mean, the moment you turned off your location, I mean, the notification will not harm your computer. Okay? So this will just help your computer speed up to become less laggy and to work better than its usual. Okay? After this, go to camera and go for camera privacy settings and make sure that this is off. I mean, we don't usually need camera all the time in your computer. So just turn this off because this will just make your computer lagging. Okay? So after that, just close everything and we will go to the second step, which is to press Windows and R key together and search for clean MGR and then click on OK. And this cleanup will appear, and here in this new window just mark all of these junk files that is being created by your system and not by you. So this will not delete any data. These are just junk files registries that is created when you are doing a task in your computer. So just have to mark all of this, and in my case, if I'll delete this, my disk cleanup will free up to 734 MB of disk space. And then click on OK and then delete files. And once it will start on cleaning up Drive Acer, just skip all of those folders to open and then it will now continue to clean up. Okay, so this will clean up unnecessary files in your machine. Okay, after that, go to run again. Just press Windows and R key together, and instead of typing clean mgr, type temp. Then click on OK. And as you can see here, I don't have any folder appeared in my screen, but if in your case you have a bunch of files listed here, just click on anywhere, then Control A, then go to this trash bin to delete. Okay? After that, let's go to the run again, Windows and R key together, and type prefetch. Then click on OK. Here, I can see a bunch of files present in my computer. These are all junk files or registries created when doing a task in my computer. So I just simply click anywhere of this file, Control A to select all, and Shift to delete, or just press this trash bin icon here, and then it will now starting on deleting all those files. Just skip those files who were in used and then simply close this. Okay. After that, let's go to Task Manager. Do a right click in your Windows icon and this window will appear, and go for Startup Apps. Here in this Startup Apps, I mean, you don't actually need a lot of apps in your startup, because the moment you restart your computer, and if it will take a lot of time to open your computer, then you need to disable unwanted applications in your startups. Just click or select those applications that you no longer needed and then change the status into disabled. How? Just click and then right click, and then this will, I mean, I just disabled the Intel. If you disable it, then if you want to enable it again, then click on enable, then just, if once it is enabled, just right click and then this disable where disable will appear. Okay? After that, just close this and then go for run again, and then type internet, enet rather, enet, INET, CPL dot CPL, and then click on OK. And then this internet properties window will appear. Go for connections. And then here, if you face any slow internet, I mean, it takes a lot of time to browse a certain website, then go for this. Just go to LAN settings, and then here you need to make sure that this use a proxy server for your LAN is unmarked. And make sure that this automatically detects settings is marked, and then click on OK, because once you're playing a game, once you make sure that the proxy server is unmarked, then you will have a best gaming experience. Okay? So those are the steps on how to make sure that, I mean, how to make your computer at its best performance. Okay? So hopefully those steps help you. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell one to be updated into our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.